Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will be having a look at how to set up the sales workflow for DataTill. Before we begin, please ensure that you have set up the help desk first as well as the billing module. Let's start by navigating to the setup page. So you'll go to Sales, Sales Settings and Sales Setup. First you will have to enable all the slides that you see over here. At the default sales lead ticket department, you can choose in which department new sales leads and tickets should generate. So for example, the sales department or the support department. Next there is the default sales lead ticket category. In this section, you can link the sales lead to a certain category, for example, new leads or sales inquiry. And lastly, the default sales ticket user. If you have a dedicated person who assigns all the leads or sales tickets, you can select their name from the list. If each sales agent assigns their own leads or tickets, you can choose No Assignee. In the section below, you can set the new leads timeouts, maximum leads per user, and the amount of days before the lead goes cold. And below this, you will find the checklist setup and quote settings. Remember to add the email address from which the quotes will be sent. And lastly, your online applications, terms and conditions. The sales module allows users to make use of predefined quote templates. Let's start by navigating to the document templates page by going to Sales, Sales Settings and then Document Templates. On the templates page you can add the templates, view the existing templates, edit and remove them. Let's go through the process of adding a new document template. Up top, you can add the option name, template title, template type, and payment method. In this section highlighted on the screen, you can add your various products and use the green button to add another product. In the description, you will be able to add a standard message that will automatically go to the customer when the document is sent. For any further information on document templates, please refer to the guide found in the link below. Checklists can be set up for the staff to be completed to ensure that all the relevant checks and information has been collected and double-checked. Before creating a checklist template, you need to choose all the relevant attributes that you would like to have checked. You can add the attributes on the following page by going to Workflow, Workflow Setup, and Checklist Attributes. After all the relevant attributes have been added, you can start creating the checklist templates by going to Workflow, Workflow Setup, and then Checklist Templates. On this page you can add, remove and edit the templates. To create a template, click on the Add button, then give the checklist a name and a short description explaining what the checklist is about. To add attributes to this checklist, click on the Add Another Field button. Here you can move the attribute up or down the list, mark the field as mandatory, disable or delete it. Remember to click on the Save button when you're done. This concludes today's video on the sales setup. If you're unsure of anything, please refer to the manual in the link below or contact our support line for any further assistance. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing to stay tuned for any further helpful guidelines. Thank you for watching.